Yo, what's good people, it's JayCactus, and in today's video, I've got something real special because I finally released my new drum kit, which is the prickkit volume 2. This one's crazy, man. This one's got more than twice as many sounds as the last one. There's like 20 kicks, 20 808s, 20 claps, hi-hats, open hats, grind bass. There's about 50 effects in there, MIDI files for melodies, 808s and hi-hats. Yo, it's got everything that you need for drill beats, and everything's been designed from scratch by myself as well. I hear way too many recycled sounds these days, so that's why I've created everything from scratch. It's all sounds that you see me using in my videos. I use them in all of my beats, so I'm literally sharing all of the sauce here. But just to show some love to everyone that subscribed to the channel, everyone that watches the videos, likes and comments and everything, I have dropped a free version of the kit as well. So the free version's got about 30 of the sounds. It's all the same stuff, but it's more of a preview for the main version. So I didn't want to drop something without hooking everyone up as well. So I've put a link to them both in the description. Make sure you get the free version, and if you like it, then definitely check out the full version. But just to show you some of the sounds, I'll give you a preview of them, and then I'll cook up a beat from scratch. I'll use some of the midis in there, and then all the drums that I use are going to be from the kit as well. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'll just start by showing you what the kit looks like and then preview some of the sounds. So straight away, we've got 20 808s. They're all hard hitting. Claps. Crashes. The effects are crazy. There's about 50 effects in here. There's impacts. Loads of miscellaneous sounds like gunshots. Knife sharpens, money guns, risers, which people asked for. Transitions too. Of course, grind bass, which people asked for as well. 20 hi-hats. 20 open hats too. I won't go through them all. It's just to give you a quick preview. All the kicks are hard hitting. All designed from scratch too. 20 perks. 21 snares. Some vocal hits too. And then the midis are crazy as well. There's some loops in here, but then the midis to go along with them for hi-hats, 808s, and the melodies. So I'll show you how it works. So this is one of the melodies. So you can choose the stems from there, or you can choose the MIDI files and switch up the instruments. But I'm just going to work with the stems for now. So you could take all the stems like this and rearrange it. But I think I'm actually going to roll with the loop. So let's pull in an 808. We'll pull in this one. Nice drill 808. Snare like this one. Hi-hats, I'll just pull in a random one. Open hats, let's pull in 2. Pull in some perks too. And then a kick. So now from the midis, I can just drag them on top of the drums. So for the 808, if I just drag this in here. So make sure you mess with the envelope so everything's down except for the hold. And then you may have to change these top notes to slides as well. So instantly just fits perfect. And then the matching hi-hats. Might as well throw in the snare. And then I can add the kick quick. I'll just copy the 808 pattern, get rid of the slides. Probably the easiest way to do it. Press Alt and A, Alt and K, Shift and D just to bring everything back. Now I can get rid of some of them. Alright, so now I can start adding the other perks in, so maybe an open hat at the beginning just to beef it up. Yeah, then another open hat. then just to try something different, I'm actually going to copy the snare, but then reverse the second one and kind of treat that like an open hat as well. Let's see how it sounds. It's just quick, but it might fit nicely. Yeah, that sounds sick. Alright, I'm going to add a couple more perks as well, just at the beginning. Sounding cold already. Alright, so I'll quickly send all these to a mixer channel and level everything out. I level most of my things in the channel rack, but just to show you how it goes. So I'm just getting these about the same volume. One pan to the right, one to the left. Only thing I need on the melody is a little EQ. I did take out most of the lows from the melody, so they should be good to use, but I just needed a little bit more. Kick and 8-weight need to work well together. That's about right. This one's already panned, I think. I'm actually going to pan this one to the left just to balance it. This one can turn down. And then I'm going to split this by channel, just so I've got everything on an individual channel. You know what, I'm actually going to bring the stems in for the intro. Or maybe just the strings and the piano. And maybe the hats could come in for the second part. And then I have a break in the hats like here. Take out some of the open hats. Even this perk. Take out some more hi-hats. Sounds sick. We'll take out most things here. Just to slow things down. Let me take out some kicks too. Yeah, there we go. Right, now I'm just making some space for the choir just to keep things organized, because I think the choir can come in here and then that can play with this bit, and then I think the piano can come back in here, but only at the beginning. In fact, I'll save the piano for the next bit and the choir. So start like this. I'll take these perks out too. So I'm just slowly building things back up. just this. Yeah, so the hi-hats can come back in, but gradually, so I'm gonna chop it up. Maybe like this, and then everything can come back in, just like the first hook. Yeah, it sounds sick. But I think definitely getting impact just before the hook. I'm thinking a riser as well. Yeah, it sounds cold. Do you know what? I could add some effects to the beginning. But yeah, maybe just heads here and then get the riser in there again. In fact, I might as well add the impact too. Yeah, that's sick. And then I can basically just repeat this now. And I might add the riser, yeah, just before the end of the hook. Alright, so the beat's pretty much done. I'll probably go through it one more time and make a few final adjustments, but I just wanted to show you how quick you could cook up a fire beat with the kit. So I hope you liked the video and I hope you're feeling the beat. As I said, the prickkit volume 2 is officially out now, so I'll leave a link to that in the description. There's almost 250 sounds in there. There's midis. You've seen all the sounds in the video. You know you can cook up a fire beat with them, so definitely check that out. But if you don't want to cop the full kit, then just grab the free version, which has about 30 sounds in there. I wanted to show some love to the people that can't really afford to buy kits. So I appreciate everyone watching the videos, subscribing, liking and commenting. Trust me, it means a lot to me, man. But if you do want to show love back, then definitely check out the full kit, because that's one of the main things that's keeping this channel going. But yo, I appreciate all the support and I'll see you next time.